The sense of pride that I felt running out onto the pitch, one of the most proudest moments I ever had.
I always felt that if the team got to Croke Park, their athleticism, their pace, married up with the quality of skill that they had, that they'd only go and flourish.
Kieran fós a mar a réimean sin, bhí sé bre ábalta lean an tsraith. Tógann siad imreoir eile isteach an imirt agus tógann siad deis chub sin cabhrú lób agus a bheith sithe an imirt. Chuir sé críos anam isteach le Cora Finne agus ag trich cethair híle nach chuir sé an níos sin a churbach beidir fhéiceál.
Part of the Cora Finne identity is the GA. So getting across the line was really satisfying. That was probably just the start of what was an amazing couple of years for them.
Scamel le bhí os ar ceann just éimithe.
To achieve our ultimate goal on behalf of Corofin GA Club was amazing, and we tried for so long, and there was many players that I played with that didn't get there. It was for them as well.